big on the first one. Okay.
They're too big?
Yeah,
Okay.
back that off just a little bit.
Okay.
Good job. Great job.
Bird,
You are.
because I have my brake point on that first one, and then I'm just trying to leave it there and
Yeah.
wait for it to come to me.
Yeah. Have a little
So-
motion with it this time, and you'll break it. Do it again, one more time.
So I'm shooting past that second bird.
You are. You're shooting-
So
shooting
I
in
need
front
to
of it.
do I need to come back a little bit or just wait?
Wait on him.
Wait, okay.
But when he comes in there, let him work in there a little tighter to you, and have a little motion with him. Okay.
Okay.
Yep. I'm gonna make an adjustment on you, okay? I like what you're doing height-wise, but wasn't too far that way. Come in here a little bit, right in there. Now go with it. Awesome.
Pull.
Set up a drink. You let your hands, you started on time, but you started too quick, and we shot front. Okay. Kind of feel like you're merging. Just merge in with that first bird, okay? That whole point needs to be just on the left side of the head.
Just on the left side?
Yes,
Okay.
yes. You've creeped back out a little bit, and that's what got us lost. There you go. That's going to feel great to you again.
Oh. Okay.
Do that same thing and just kind of work the bottom edge of the bird out front.
Okay.
You'll have it. Set up's good, but tighten the hole just a little bit. I want that target pushing your hand just a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah, tighten your hold up just a little bit. There you go.
Great point. So I was trying to move straight up
Yeah.
and wait for it to get and move with it, but by the time you move with it, then you start getting trees in your way.
Well, that, and then what happens is the further out you set, the way you're shooting, you get away with it sometimes. The shot becomes timing. You're trying to time it into the gun instead of feeling it and hooking up good. That's all it is. Moves you back a little bit, and then your connection gets good, and you feel that.